Okay, in this video, I'm going to do two examples of adding fraction problems. Remember from the last video that we have two steps with these problems. Step 1, find the common denominator. Step 2, add or subtract. I'm just writing them there so I remember them. So the first thing you have to do is rewrite these so they have a common denominator. Remember how we do that. We take the bigger denominator and we write out the multiples. So 15, 30, 45, and we figure out which of these multiples the smaller denominator divides equally into. So does 5 divide equally into 15? Yeah, 5 times 3 is 15. It fits in equally. There are 3 5s in 15. So this one's kind of easy. All we have to do is rewrite 4/5 to equal something over 15. As we said, 5 times 3 equals 15. So we need to do 4 times 3, which will get us 12. So 4/5 is equivalent to 12/15. Let's rewrite the whole thing. So now we have, instead of this, we have 12/15 plus 1/15. And now we just add them. If you have 12/15, you add 1/15, you end up with 13/15. Because 12 plus 1 is 13, the denominator stays the same. So that's your answer. Let's do one more. Okay, this time we're going to have, 7/12 plus 3, let's do 5ths. This one's going to be a little weird. Okay, first step, find the common denominator. We want to find a number where both of these fit in evenly. So we're going to write out the multiples of 12 to help us get there. So it's 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. I hope we don't have to go higher than that. Now, which of these numbers does 5 fit equally into? Well, remember that multiples of 5 either will end in a 5 or a 0. It goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Which of these end in a 5 or a 0? 60. That's the only one. So 60 is going to be our common denominator. So now we have to write 7/12 as something over 60. How do we go from 12 to 60? Remember your math facts? That's times 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. So 7/12 is the same thing as 35/60. Let's do this one. 3/5 is equal to what over 60? Same math facts, but backwards. 5 times 12 is 60. 3 times 12 is 36. So 36 over 60 is equivalent to 3 over 5. Now we just add these. So we've got 35/60 is equal to 36/60. Whoa, these are really similar. You wouldn't have known. 35 plus 36, see if I can do it in my head, is 71. And then you get 71/60. So even when numbers get big and kind of annoying, you can still use the same process, and you still add it the same way. Did I do this right? I think I did. Let me write it out just to make sure. 35 plus 36. Yeah, I did it right. Great. Okay, if you want to do subtraction, watch the next video. If you're ready to practice, head to the practice.